Hi guys, today I want to go over importing a job from SCS 900 into Trimble Business Center. So there is a few ways of doing it. The best way and the easiest way I find how to manage the whole job is through the construction data ribbon, and you can hit job site. Once you're in a job site, you can obviously create a new one or add an external. I have just few jobs on this computer, so I picked this one done a few years back. Once you hit OK, Business Center will load all the calibration files and all the stuff which needs localization data, which needs to be so you can work on the project. As you can see, it will give you a whole bunch of information. There is no project library, or the name, so where you can rename and change units. When was the site calibration done? So this one is 2018, a while back. How many control points we had, if there was a site map, avoidance zone, codes, feature codes when they were last updated, and also which controls are assigned to this job. Once you have that, you can go to your Project Explorer, and as you can see, you have now a job site here with all the appropriate data which was loaded from the controller. So you have designs. Since I just copied and pasted the whole job folder into this computer, they are considered as external designs because they weren't done in this business center, and all the work orders which you had done, right? So here is a calibration. I like to separate the calibration of the initial work order. That way I have it always clear and clean. And then there is like some as-built valves and some layouts done during that time for that job. So really small job, quick one. Now, if you want to see what's in this work order, you can always right-click it. Kind of nice Excel spreadsheet of what happened in your work order. You can right-click your work order and see work order report. Now, obviously, I do not have an Excel on this computer, so that won't work. But it would open an Excel, load all the data from your work order, and show it in a nice Excel spreadsheet from the setup, what time and everything. We'll look in the next video. I'll get the Office installed here and we'll go from there. But another way to look at it, like let's say, so I do have external design. You can always add an external design into your project, and it will bring all the data from it in. There are a whole bunch of points. So over here it's point northing elevation. Just gonna import those, and it basically is gonna move everything from that external work order into your job site, right? So as you can see, I have some 9,000 points, control points, and then there is like a water line with some stuff here. If I look at the actual work order, so not the design, I can import the work order results, and it's gonna bring in the points or whatnot was done in that work order. Import work order, there we go. So some stake points, right? So we stake that benchmark 2, couple of staked points. The other way to bring everything in is just let me undo this for you. The other way, if you want to just bring in and just kind of take a quick look at your data, you can go to your synchronizer data or directly onto your controller, and let's say just take this SPJ file and drag it and drop it over here. So this would bring the same data. If you double click your job site, it's going to open the job site manager, which we have seen when we imported the job site. Now going the other way again, you have under the construction data, you can do create a design, choose a design name, let's go test, assign it to controllers, hit OK, and right now you have few options what kind of model you want to do, whether it's a surface, alignment, roadwork, etc. Stakeout points, you can add your stakeout points, and design map if you want to add any line work. Now once you create the new design, the Business Center automatically creates this design here, right? So if I were to add in some stakeout points, let me do that. Yeah, so let's say point 113 and 110, and I'm gonna add them, and we go back to the Trimble Synchronizer data folder. You can see it created a stakeout points. If I were to add the line in there, well, let's add this line and hit OK and go back to the same folder, you see there is a design map created. So Trimble Business Center will automatically create the file you need to utilize the information. Hopefully you found this informative. We'll dive into this later on as well. Hopefully next video when I load the Excel, so we can dive into those reports and everything. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.